Okay, they good, Abi.
They good. Don't worry.
They go that.
What's wrong with the bin? Make una pack all this in bag. Where you there? Put something here. Where you put that?
Make I see your bag.
Nothing there.
I beg, boss.
The bastard carry bundle. They crazy. This is me how you do small children here.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Hey, stand up.
Oh my God.
Stand
Thank
up
you so much.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Untouchable again. Today we are with 1 million naira on the street. This is it. You don't scatter 1 million naira. We just keep her for both. You want to go? Let us test people to see if they go pack them. You know, as country don't be like this now. We got test people more. See if they go pass this test. But guys, observe. I don't want to talk too much. If anybody says send me money, don't send money to anybody. They are scammers. They are using my video. They are using my video to do fake video call with you on WhatsApp. I'm not on WhatsApp. And if you comment on my post on Facebook, just know, say if person reply you claiming untouchable, I am not the person. Please don't send anybody message on WhatsApp. Let's go. What's happening to this car? Wait, people dey here, man, call them. May they help me push them. Hey, one more. Now, well done. Sorry, good afternoon. I beg, Mona no verse. My car, no. It just Mona just help me push and me move front. I beg. I beg. I fit pay. I go pay.
Don't be about the payment, but now ladies with this. Now I won't take the follow.
Leave the ladies. Me only yourself if possible. I be if the ladies fit just join hand me at least.
Only me no fit push the car.
I go pay. I beg. Anyhow, I beg. Thank you. Hey, oh my, let me just. Hey. Okay, my boot. My boot. Are you serious? Sorry. You don't make close. Eh? You open? You don't close now? I beg. You never close? So you close now? Okay. I beg. More help me push on. No, they close. Wait. Hello, doctor. I am coming now. I have the money, please. My mother will not die, I beg. Please. I'm coming with the money now. It's in the boot. Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, can we go? Okay, you don't start. Thank God. Baba, thank you. Thank you so much. I see find you something.
No, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I have that.
I know, but I beg. Hope say you no carry anything from because now money I won't go hospital. I beg. You say?
No carry anything.
You sure say you no carry anything?
Someone no carry anything.
But money we do here now. This will not be waiting account here.
Which money?
3, 4, 5, 6.
I say money reduce how?
Money how? Are you calling us people? We helped you. I will just tell me close.
You helped me collect my money. I don't share the hospital.
That's why I don't like helping people. That's why I don't help.
Small people help now, don't become problem.
Which kind thing is
No, my money come up for you, I beg.
Which money?
Baba, give my money, I beg. I don't like this kind.
I don't like trying to talk. I don't like them at all.
Are you calling us people?
Money come on for here now.
You say they see you from inside the car.
Wait.
You say they see you from this thing.
Baba,
I'm not like talk. I beg.
My way to touch me, you don't touch me. I beg. Phone and give me money.
You want fight me? I know it's like this car.
Wait. Hey. Baba, come. Where you go? You talk about phone and you. Come outside. Give me that. Hey, shut up your mouth. You are a thief. See camera, the video una see. See am here. Una don see am abi? See am. Na prank video. Abeg. Kukuma return the money now. Return now. More no waste time. Abeg. Okay, return am there, man. I go slap you. Police dey here. I go arrest you. I even make us in the hospital they go. So now wetin you wan plan do me be that? You be like say you the man. Okay, return am.
Return this thing. Wetin happen? Na the place. Come on, return this thing. No shop.
Return am. Okay, they go there.
What's wrong with the bin? Make una pack all this thing back. Where you dey? You put something here. Where you put that?
We are sorry, sir.
Make I see your back.
Nothing there. We are sorry.
I go post am.
No, sorry, sir. Sir, please, sir. Please,
Chris. Camera, enter. Thieves. Enter now.
Sir, we are sorry.
God will punish you, sorry. But you lie.
Come on, get out.
No verse, no verse. Yes, my car been get issue. I don't know if you go help me push am. I don't know. I just dey waka and I dey emergency. The thing just stop me here. I beg, no verse. Make I just help me push am.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you. Hey, bush dey open. E be like say na mistake o.
No, you dey. I dey practice and you dey good.
Okay, you dey good abi?
You dey good. Don't worry.
Push am for me now, Baba.
I dey push am.
No be okay. Boot dey open. Comot your hand so that boot go close.
I dey come on.
Just comot your hand abeg. Make boot close.
No problem, sir. Make I.
Hello.
You like that too.
Hello.
No.
Doctor, they come. I beg. My mama, you know, say she no go die. I get the money for boot. I beg. Okay, they come. Boss, where you they go? They come now, boss.
No, I want buy something this side. You know,
no, just help me push. You never even help me push am, Baba.
I don't.
Wait, hope say you no collect money for inside this car.
No, I no collect too. No, I no see anything like that.
You no collect?
No, I no collect.
Wait, so hope say you no collect money. If you move, no move.
Serious, I did not. I don't do those things. I never do these things.
You never do am?
No, I know they do. I can't help you now. Waiting, I won't come do them. I help you.
Baba, some money come up for here.
No, nah.
Where my money?
No, the money.
Thief! I go shout you.
No, nah, Oga.
Baba, you dey mad?
Oga, I know.
You know that's why they see you.
Okay, you say I'm okay. My money they call like.
Now my money.
Where my money?
I won't buy something.
Now your money. Bring out the money.
Boss.
Thank God. You see that way the video you. Na camera.
Baba, bring out the money.
Na prank video be that.
I beg.
Na prank video be that. I go post am. Bring my money. Mona hold am, bring am.
I beg.
After I bring the money, come out.
So hold this.
Baba, get inside car. They watch you. What you they talk? You they whine me?
I know. Bring the money, come out.
Bobby, bring the money now. You no get conscience. You dey I go.
I know see I'm boss. I beg.
You no see.
Upon second
What camera there?
What you no see
anything. How the camera take see me?
Camera take see you.
This
guy dey for you. This guy dey for you.
Bring the money, come out.
I don't want to step.
Bring the money, come out. I go now.
Okay, no.
Bring and come out. Don't worry, sir.
Yeah, mad. Come on, bring and come out. I go
bring and come out. Okay, I go bring.
I
go bring our boss.
Hey, Jesus.
I beg, boss.
The bastard carry bundle.
They crazy. This is me and you do small children here.
Go kill you.
You be thief.
Chineke.
Come up here.
Search and well, oh.
Carry your clothes. Open. Wait, make I open.
Okay, I don't finish. Now you don't pack all of them now.
The guy is mad. He finish. He won't come out. What's he finish? He won't come out.
No, I be won't come back. Tell and say something.
Come up here.
Tell him. What you want to say, Stella?
We never talk sense.
What you want to tell her?
I even help myself.
Okay, get out from here so I behave. I don't blame you, Sha.
Hey, Chris.
It's all over you, bro. It's all over you, man.
You know if you see better people here.
I don't pursue you.
Well done, sir. Yeah, good afternoon. I beg. This my car stopped me here and it's very bad. I don't know if I feel put on for neutral. Me just help me more, just push on some more.
But here is not safe.
Here is not safe. That's the problem. Boss, I beg.
Okay, let's see how we do.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, let's go.
Wow. Boss.
Let's go. Eh?
Come and see. This money is. I saw money here.
Okay, money is here. Wait.
And it's too much.
You collect money for here?
No.
Thief?
No.
No, you collect money.
It's not.
Nah, lie. Baba, give me my money, I beg.
Check me. I just called you right away.
You collect money? Come check am.
I just called you. I was even advising you to take your car out of here. That here is not safe for you.
You collect money?
Search me now. Come back. How? No. It's not possible.
You don't collect
I'm
money?
the one advising you. Let's ship this car out of here.
Eh.
Here is not safe.
Why they go back now?
No, you
Come closer, okay? Be like say you want
go
run.
back. Say one run.
You sure say?
Search me. Why you go back? No one search. I don't want to touch you. No. I was I not the one advising you? Let's take this car out of here.
Okay, what if you don't advise her, but you
You
want
been planning come out this money?
No. But I saw the money actually. That was why I called your attention. I did not collect any money.
Actually, this is the camera. There is a prank video. Come on, man. Come on. You not better person. Don't leave up. You not better person. Baba come. Too much.
Yeah, man.
Now you come first. Come. You not better person. Come. It's just me. You not better person. Sorry, what's the name? Ike.
Yes.
Nice meeting you, Ike. You stay here? You live this side?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. Ike, I don't know. Let me know.
Actually, here is not safe.
Here is not safe. This is just a risk we are taking sometimes, you know. Come closer now. At least say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Now, better person be this. You get so for that reason, let me not come and stress you. You are a nice man. I swear to God, you're not a better person. You get. So let's appreciate anytime we see a nice people like this. We love appreciating them because it's not easy. You get.
Bros,
it's not easy, but
You're not the only one we are
don't
doing
mind,
this,
don't bother.
I should not bother.
If you don't mind.
Me, I won't bother.
Please don't bother.
This is what I want to do. I
I
mind.
cannot change. I have my respect. As
Thank
a
you so
human
much.
being.
And I want you to always have that your respect because you need it.
Considering the condition of this country will not make me to start doing what I'm not trained to do.
Thank you so much. That's nice. So and I would love you to hold this. I beg. Even if not 500, may hold.
It's too much for me, man.
I give you from the bottom of my heart.
It's too much.
I'm giving you from the bottom of my heart.
Chief, thank you so much. Really appreciate it, Chief.
Hey, stand up.
Oh my God.
Stand
Thank
up
you
first.
so much.
Stand up. It's nothing.
Oh my God.